Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your app icon on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Sweatcoin application and also make sure to log into your account. Go to the top left hand corner and tap on your name's initial. Now, from the profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Under this account settings menu, tap on customize app icon. Now, you will need to select one of the app icons that you would like to appear on your home screen for your Sweatcoin app. But in order to be able to choose the app icons, you will need to upgrade to premium for Sweatcoin. Go ahead and tap on upgrade to premium option at the bottom and follow through the subscriptions process. Select the premium plan you would like to go with and then tap on the start 7 days trials for free button at the bottom. During your subscription, you will need to enter your payment information. Follow through the prompts and enter all of the necessary credentials in the correct text boxes, and then follow through the prompts and provide all of the necessary details, and you will be able to start with 7 days free trial for premium. And that is how you will be able to change your app icon on Sweatcoin. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.